Hi, I'm here in Adelaide for the CPA Management Accounting Conference, and I've just finished a session on dashboards in modern Excel. Now, I'm a financial modelling specialist, so I've written a couple of books on financial modelling. And so the reason that I choose to often talk about, or I'm often asked to talk about dashboards, is that we financial modelers or finance professionals or accountants are often not very good at the visuals, myself included. I used to find that when I first would create a model, I'd be really proud of my results. I'd spend ages, getting the numbers exactly right. Because of course the numbers are the most important thing, making sure that they add up, making sure that they're absolutely right. And I would present the output of my model really proudly. And I found that I really didn't get very much attention, or people wouldn't really take much notice of the numbers. And I soon learnt that it's really important to put visuals, to use colours, to use charts. Just really simple things, just to make your numbers actually mean something, so that people will actually make attention or take note of all of the hard work that you've put into your financial model.